and welcome to this tutorial on working with sheets in Excel. In this video, we're going to learn the features of sheets in Excel. So let's get started. By default, the first sheet is always named Sheet 1. If you want to rename it, you can just right-click, select Rename, then you can give it a name and press Enter. If you want multiple sheets, go ahead and click on the plus button to create as many sheets as you need. Similarly, if you want to delete a sheet, you can right-click on it and select Delete. You can also make a copy of the sheet you're working on. To do that, right-click on the sheet, move or copy. You can move the sheet anywhere you want. I'm going to move it to the end here. Click Create a Copy and click OK. Now the duplicate of Student 1 is created here. I'm going to delete it now. You can also protect your sheet to prevent any editing of that sheet. For that, you need to right-click on the sheet you want to protect, click on Protect Sheet, select a password, click OK, re-enter your password, click OK, and now your sheet is protected. So now go ahead and try to edit that sheet. There should be a pop-up that says the sheet is protected and a password is required to open it. Now you can right-click, select Unprotect your sheet, enter your password, click OK, and now you can make changes to your records in the sheet. You can also choose to have colors for your sheets. Right-click, choose Tab Color, choose your color, and now your sheet is blue. Similarly, you can select other sheets and choose colors for them. So now your sheet is colored. Next, I'll show you how to hide sheets in Excel. So I have 4 sheets here, and I want to hide sheets 4 and 5. What you can do to hide is right-click here, click Hide, and now sheet 4 has gone from the view. Similarly, I can do it for any sheet. If again I want to unhide any sheet, all I'd have to do is right-click on any sheet and select Unhide. It shows you the list of sheets that you've hidden. Now to unhide sheet 3, click Sheet 3 and click OK. Sheet 3 should show up again in the view. Next, let's see how to group sheets and apply formatting. So here I have 5 different sheets. I'd like to apply formatting in one sheet, and that particular formatting should be applied to all the other sheets in my Excel workbook. So to do this, I have to select all the sheets for grouping. For grouping worksheets, I'll go ahead and select a sheet and press the Control key, select all the other sheets which you want to group. I prefer grouping all the sheets here. You can see that I've selected all sheets by pressing the Control key and selecting it. You can see here as well, it shows that you've grouped the sheets now. Now after grouping, whatever formatting that I do in one sheet is going to reflect in the other sheets without having to go and edit each sheet individually. So I'll go and highlight the first row and the first column of the sheet. And now that I've made changes in sheet 1, Student, let's go and see if it's reflected in the other sheets as well. In sheet 6, it's reflecting, sheet 7, sheet 2. And this is how you work with grouping of sheets and formatting them. Lastly, let's see how to insert a hyperlink into a cell so that it points to another cell in another sheet. For that, let me select a cell. Here I'm going to select the first cell, A1, and I'm going to hyperlink it to the Sheet 2 contents here. To do that, I have to select the cell, right-click, select Hyperlink, and then I'll select Place in this document. After that, it's going to ask me to type a cell reference. Here, my reference is going to be Sheet 2. So I select Sheet 2, and I can also give the cell preference, which is optional, but I'll go ahead and give the cell A1 and click OK. You'll see here that the hyperlink is now applied. It also shows you what happens once you click and where this link goes. Let me just click it and show you. So here I've clicked it, and now it's taken me to the contents of Sheet 2, Cell A1. And thanks so much for watching. In the next tutorial, we'll go over the basics of cells, like insert, delete, drag and drop, paste functions, etc.